right, today we are going to use logs to help us expand and find actual solutions to applications using the stuff that we learned last class. So with this first example, we used exponential regression last class to get the equation from data. So that's how we got this equation. Now what we're going to do is use this equation and then we are going to find out the time when we will reach a population of 5,000 for the salmon. So let's start here. So our equation is this. So that's super tiny. So our equation is y equals 1194.6 raised to the x. Now with this equation, we have to do what we did last time, which is solve for x. But to do that, we want to know when the population will reach 5,000. So in this case, in our chart, the y was the population. So we're going to plug in the 5,000 for the y. So it's going to be 5,000 equals 1194.6. Now, just like any other equation we would write, we need to get this 1.08 raised to the x all by itself. So our first step is to separate that from the 1194.6. So in order to do that, we divide both sides by this number. So 1194.6, 1194.6. All right, so we do 5,000 divided by and we're left with on the left side we're rounding to two decimals like it says, 19 equals 1.08 raised to the x. Now remember, we're going to use logs, so we got to convert this into log form. So it's log the base of our exponent, which is 1.08, in parentheses is whatever our answer is, so 4.19, and then we always equal it to whatever the exponent is. In this case, it's x. Now, we want to solve for x, so in order to use the calculator for this, we have to put it in the calculator different than what it looks like. So we have to use the change of base formula, but it's super simple. How we put it in the calculator, it's going to look like this. It's going to look like log whatever's inside the parentheses divided by log, and then whatever is the base goes inside. So log 4.19, close the parentheses, divided by log 1.08, close the parentheses. And then we're rounding it to one decimal, so it'll be 18.6. So it's going to take 18.6 years for the salmon population to reach 5,000.